I don't know if it's a bad sign that I had to look up the definition of information systems before I made this video. I feel like they're going to take my degree away. Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Justin, and it's been a while. At least it's been a while since I made a sit-down video, and I should have made this video a really long time ago, but that was just my bad. I got busy and YouTube kind of like disappeared from my life for a second, but I'm back and I want to be back and I'm excited to make this video. So in December of 2020, I graduated with an associate's in applied science and computer information systems and a certificate in information technology. This annoyingly long mouthful of words that people don't even understand when I say it to them. And I don't fault them, because I didn't understand what computer information systems were till like the second year of my program, so that's like 50%. So in this video, I want to talk about what computer information systems are, how it differs from CS and why I chose it, and maybe why you should choose it as well. So let's start with the behemoth in the room. Information systems, and in this case specifically computer information systems, are systems that are designed for business use of CRUD operations. CRUD being create, read, update, and delete. Some examples of this would be retail using a system to check out a person, and then that checkout system also communicates to a stock system, which affects how they manage their inventory. And another example of this could be in the health field, where you would manage health records versus retail, which would be products. Essentially, any system that is used for business use, probably 9 times out of 10 is an information system. So now that we have a base idea of what computer information systems are, I want to talk about how CIS is different than CS. And of course, a true disclaimer on this, I'm going to be speaking from my experience in these. Every single college is going to be different. Every single profession may be different. If you're juggling between if you want to do this program or not, make sure you're checking out the specific college that you want to go to, see their degree outline, and check if those courses are something that interests you. If not, check out the CS one. And if not, that's my area of expertise. I can't really help with anything outside of CS. So computer information systems, again, pays more regard to business needs. So this is creating systems that specifically help businesses and transferring information between these systems. So if you're interested in creating programs that communicate with a lot of other programs in order to accomplish a goal, then computer information systems may be a great fit for you. Computer science, on the other hand, is more of an applied degree. And while both of these sections of IT kind of share similar vibes, computer science is definitely going to handle more of the background of computers, of how programming talks to the computer and how the computer is able to process this. You're not going to get as in-depth of an idea of that in computer information systems. Again, just speaking from my experience, may be different elsewhere. So for example, my college had CIS students take database management, whereas that was optional for CS students. CS students, on the other hand, took operating systems, whereas CIS students did not need to take that. So speaking on the terms of my associates, the reason that I chose to go for a CIS degree over a CS degree was also because of the Associates in Applied Science title. Again, not sure how everyone else works, but for me, the Associates in Applied Science was not a transfer degree, meaning I was supposed to be done after 2 years, and then I just chose not to do that because I'm extra. The computer science degree sets you up to be able to transfer to a 4-year college to finish out to a computer science bachelor's or master's or whatever it be it you dream it. The CIS program was designed so you could finish after 2 years and immediately enter the workforce, which obviously as a college student was appealing to me. So this was a really big selling point for me already. And because of this, the CIS students such as myself were able to take more courses that were focused on their major versus trying to fill in all the general education requirements that the CS major had to take. Basically, I didn't want to take like extra history courses and math courses. I had to take like the basic English ones, but the rest I got to skip out on until I got to my bachelor's. Nonetheless, I did make a full video going over all the courses that I took in my CIS degree, which I'll link in the little tags up top if you guys want to check that out. But personally, I feel I did not miss a single course that the CS students took, except for the general education requirements. Now, the one thing that was weighing on my mind was I was told that this degree was really hard to transfer with, and that it was very recommended if I was going to transfer to a 4-year college, I should do the CS degree. About a year out now from having my 2-year degree, I can say that it's really not that hard to make up the lost time that the CS students got. And in my opinion, this is a better bet. As with many things, the more you program, the better you're going to get with it. So the more hands-on experience that you can get at the start, I think is extremely vital in your progress as a developer. I got to take the important CS courses that everyone talks about, such as the basic computer programming course, web development, database management, data structure, all before I transferred to to my 4 years. And with that being said, I was able to take this knowledge and create programs, make things, break things, go learn on the side extra thing. And what I found is when I finished out with my CIS degree, I was a little bit more ahead than the students who finished out with the CS degree who are stepping into their bachelor's program. Computer science has almost become a buzzword for colleges, and what I found is a lot of people who have any inkling that they might want to end up in some sort of portion of the IT department, they look to computer science first. There are so many degrees that may be able to specifically hone in on why you're interested in going for computer science, so I recommend looking at them all. While both degrees were very heavily focused on programming, it's really important to keep in mind that programming is not the end-all be-all for either of these professions. I personally would recommend computer information systems for anyone who is more interested in the business side of development and how that can directly affect business needs. Even if that's not going to be the bachelor's program of your choice, getting an associate's in that and then switching over to computer science afterwards, I think is a great idea because you get so much knowledge in the beginning that you can take and learn new things with or create projects with, and then also take with you into the rest of the 4 years for your bachelor's. So yeah, computer information systems, kind of a weird degree, very similar to computer science, but also different at the same time. And I'm really hoping that this video clears a little bit of that mysticism up for it because I couldn't find any information on it when I was going for the degree, and it kind of scared me a little bit. All in all, I don't regret my choice in going for computer information systems. I think it was a great way to kickstart me, almost like a boot camp in college, into so many of the important topics for computer science. And of course, if you guys have any questions or need any advice, you can leave a comment down below or hop over to Instagram and send me a DM there, and I'll be sure to respond to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay well, and I will catch you guys next time. Goodbye!